Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Sharon and welcome back. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Oral-B D100 electric toothbrush, 2D vitality clean-in toothbrush with waterproof features on here. It's going to be $22.52 and I'll leave the cheapest link down below. You actually pick this up from your local CVS as well, but this is going to give you some really good features on here. So right here it does say you do get a 2-minute timer. You can actually 7,600 times left right rotation each time, so it does give you some pretty good speeds on there when it comes to the electronic toothbrush. Right here it says right here it does last 7 days if you use it twice a day, and then 2 minutes each time, so it does give you some pretty good battery life. And so that's going to be pretty good for the battery on this toothbrush. It also comes in 4 different colors: black, silver, pink, and blue. And then you can see right here it does have a 360 cover the whole toothbrush, the whole tooth. So it's gonna basically be able to cover your whole tooth, moving 7,600 times in each rotation in a minute, cleaning dental plaque effectively. So that's going to be pretty crazy. It does give you 16-degree angle and clean teeth in different directions. So this is going to be pretty solid. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside of the packaging. Alright, so this is the box right here. You can see it does say on the box Oral-B Vitality 100, and then it does say D100 right there. And then you do get the multi-angle clean as well, the 2-minute timer, the unique rotating head. And we're going to be testing this out, so make sure you guys stay locked in. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. So let's go ahead and open up this top part. Alright, so inside here is, I got the white one right here. So you can see is basically, once you rip that, you can basically pop it out. And so this has a really nice grip. That's the first thing I'm noticing, as the grip on here feels really good. Then you get your Oral-B logo right there with another logo that says Braun right there. So on the bottom there's not going to be anything there. It's just going to be like a hollow space. And then you do have you can see your power button right here. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside of here. Alright, so we are getting a charging pod right here. So this basically looks like it's going to charge the toothbrush just like this by popping it right inside on the bottom, just like that. So do get one actual brush on this toothbrush. So let's go ahead and take it out. Alright, so obviously this is going to be rotating, and once you power it on, you can see it does rotate pretty quickly. So that's definitely going to be pretty solid. Alright guys, so I've been using this thing for a minute. I just got done using it and it's actually really good. It does a thorough job of cleaning. You can definitely feel the clean sensation in your mouth like a couple of minutes after you brush with this, and it's gonna basically hit every area, so you don't have to worry about missing anything when it comes to brushing. And so you're gonna definitely get some pretty good battery life out of here. You can also charge it with the included charging stand that I did put in the bathroom already. And yeah, so I definitely think this is gonna be a solid pickup, especially for the price. Like I said, in CVS you can get it for $19.99, but if you just want to use the link down below and check it out, it's going to definitely be a good price there too. So I'm gonna hit you guys back. I'll check you guys later in the next video, but I definitely think this is a must-have in 2024 as a budget price point. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.